Hello everyone, have you ever used any application and suddenly it stopped working, worked very slowly or got an error? All these situations and more are considered to be a bug, error or misbehavior in the application. Quality engineers are responsible to find, analyze and report these sorts of problems before releasing or delivering the application to the customer. To know more about software bugs or defect and how quality engineers should report it effectively, let's start our lesson for today about effective bug report. Mainly, a bug report is a clear description of the application's misbehavior, flaw, error or failure. It is also the gap between the expected result and the actual results in the application. Quality engineers need to figure out this gap, report it clearly, and assign it to developers in order to fix it properly. The challenge here is to have a well-defined bug report. It is not as simple as raising a flag and announcing that there is a bug. The art lies in detecting and analyzing the root cause of this bug, then writing it down with clear and accurate steps to reproduce it again, in a specific environment and version, with a particular screenshot. Additionally, the real challenge is to find the severe bugs first, which might cause financial loss to the company. A well-defined bug report can speed up the time of fixing this bug. Also, it helps in building a healthy communication channel between quality engineers and development teams by increasing their understanding and teamwork spirit. On the other hand, a poor bug report will lead to a delay in software releases. This delay will affect and spoil the relationship with the customers. And most importantly, increase the level of side effects. Basically, a software bug is a misbehavior, error, security flaw or vulnerabilities in the application. Its features are not working as designed or expected. So a bug report is nothing but a clear description and interactive steps about system weakness, bugs or problem. This report will guide the developers to reproduce the bug again and fix its root cause. Each bug report contains major fields and components, so let's discuss the most important ones. ID is a unique number. Title. It briefly describes the bug or problem in a very direct and simple way. Steps to verify or reproduce, a sequential and actionable steps to help developers to reproduce this bug again and again in their development environment. It should be well-defined and clear steps with direct-to-the-point words. Test data. It's the entries and inputs you're going to use while executing the test case to test application's functionalities. It's an optional field. If the bug is common bug and it's easy to reproduce it with any kind of data, so no need to mention it. But if this bug is related to a special scenario with specific data inputs, absolutely, we need to accurately mention these details to help developers to reproduce it again. Priority, it's about scheduling the bug in the order it's going to be fixed. The order of fixing this bug. Severity, how badly is it going to impact the system? Expected result. How should the application work after fixing this bug? As long as we raise a flag to say we have a bug, it's our responsibility to let developers know the correct behavior of the application after fixing this bug. The correct behavior is defined in the requirements or user stories. Most of quality engineers don't fill this field properly, and simply, since you have reported a software bug, you also have to inform the developers team what is the expected result. What is the correct mechanism for the application to work after fixing this problem or bug? While filling these fields, keep in mind that the more clear and informative details you provide, the easier developers' life will become. Moreover, it will speed up the releases and you'll go live with confidence. Let's discuss the top 3 tips about writing an effective bug report. Number 1. Unleash your analytical thinking. Yes, you need to unleash your analytical skills. You are not just a bug reporter, but you are a bug analyst. It means you need to ask yourself many questions about this bug before reporting it. These questions will help you to understand the root cause of this bug. What is the main reason for this bug and why does it appear? How does it impact the system? How severe is this bug? Do you have the same bug anywhere else in the system? Do you have any other steps to reproduce the same bug? Is this bug related to any other bug or a specific test case? Is it related to any side effect of a new feature or enhancement of an old one? Do you need the developer to do a code review because this bug appears frequently in every release? Is it related to security, performance, compatibility, or usability issue? Answering such questions will guide you progressively through the main reason of this bug or problem, which will ultimately allow the developers to fix and resolve the root cause of it, to prevent the application from severe side effects. This kind of thinking and analysis will enable you to increase the level of quality in the long term. Number 2. Prove it. Usually, attaching screenshots, videos, or log files is like adding a voice to your bug report, then let this voice to speak up about the problem. It proves the bug with evidence. A clear picture with captions is worth 1,000 words, but only if it has words to go through it. On the other hand, do not make it as a habit to add unnecessary attachments, screenshots for all your test steps in every bug report. There is no need for it. Attach what makes your bug report effective. Moreover, when you are dealing with a complex bug, it is better to record its video as it will be more helpful for developers, or attach its related log file to help the developer to trace it once again. Number 3. Don't get it personal. Please always keep in your mind that you're reporting the bug and testing the application, not the developers themselves, so be polite and specific. Bug reports with the offensive and emotional language will be ignored and spoil your relationship with developers, and such a spoiled relationship definitely won't achieve a high level of quality. Report your bug without passing any kind of judgment against the developers. We all know it's impressive to find a severe bug during your testing phase, but do not use this as a credit for criticizing developers or to attack any individual. On the other hand, developers team, calm down. Don't get it personal too. We as a quality team are by your side, not against it. All of us share the same goal, it's to reach the ultimate level of quality. Developers trust the quality team, they're going to work with you hand in hand to protect your precious code from being tested by the customers or attacked by hackers. Let's be honest, how bad the situation will become if our customers reported our own bugs, so trust us, we're going to achieve our mission professionally. At the end of our lesson, quality engineers, keep in your mind. You are the leaders and source of quality confidence all over the team. How could you present a poor quality bug report? It doesn't suit you at all. If you aim for quality, all in all, you need to start with yourself first. And when you believe that quality is the core for everything, it means your bug report should be with good quality too. Hope you enjoyed this class as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you like it, please subscribe and share.